Are quartz countertops a natural stone slab countertops? Dear friend, quartz is 100% a natural material made up of a white or colorless mineral. But, unlike natural stone, such as marble, granite, and soapstone, quartz countertops are categorized as man-made products. While they do consist of natural quartz stone, they also include added resins, colors, and other materials to help enhance their strength and style. Watch on to learn all about how it's made, why it rivals natural stone, and how it's different than other man-made surfaces. How quartz is made. Quartz countertops can consist of approximately 93 to 95% quartz and 5 to 7% resin by weight. Engineered quartz is manufactured using Italian Breton stone technology that blends pulverized quartz or other natural stone aggregates like granite and marble with a polymer resin mix. The air is removed from the material, which is then heated and shaped into a slab. Other things like ceramic, mirror, or glass may also be added to give it a distinct style. During the process, color can also be added to help give the quartz countertop a neutral or bold look. The wide range of color options is one of the reasons why homeowners and designers alike love man-made quartz. How it rivals stone. Quartz countertops differ from natural stone counters in several ways. While some fancy the unpredictable patterns and movement found in natural stone, others rely on the consistency quartz brings. Whether it's the veining, sparkles, or coloring featured in a sample, what you see is exactly what will be installed in your kitchen or bathroom. You also have the option to select products that mimic stone, including quartz that looks like marble. It's also nearly indestructible thanks to its scratch, stain, heat, scorch, and mold-resistant properties. The non-porous surface makes it 99.9% bacteria-free, so it's a much healthier choice, especially in the kitchen, whereas porous natural stone like real marble will soak up every spill and splash. Another plus is that it requires very little maintenance. While you need to reseal natural stone every few months or every year, quartz never needs sealing. Keeping it clean is simple, too, with just a soft sponge, water, and dish soap for more stubborn grime. How it differs from laminates. Many synthetic countertops are made of a plastic laminate that's made from paper or fabric mixed with resin, while others are made of a layer of laminate craft paper and resin that covers particle board. Quartz countertops, on the other hand, are solid, durable surfaces. The downside to these inexpensive, man-made products is that they're not as porous as quartz and will be prone to liquid absorption. They also can't be repaired if cut, scratched, dented, or stained. Quartz offers many benefits that natural stone and other laminates don't. Now that you've discovered how durable and low-maintenance quartz is, you'll want to add the engineered stone to your kitchen or bath. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.